Here we have the 500 naira sections.
So I found this 500 naira store ad on Instagram and I decided to go check them out to see if they have any cool stuff for candle making or props. So I left a comment, asked if I could come with my camera, and the lady was like, camera for what exactly? I didn't take offense to this comment because I saw a lot of people trolling her in the comment section for selling things that are way more than 500 naira and calling herself a 500 naira store. Well, we're about to find out why they're called a 500 naira store. I'm going to the store in a tricycle because it's not so far from where I live. Right now, I'm just walking to the gate of my estate because that's where all the tricycles are parked.
I dey go this thing 4th Avenue. I dey video you. I dey go 4th Avenue. Get one shop. They call am 500 naira shop.
Let's enjoy this ride, guys. We're going to go past the local market where I buy my food stuff and African spices. I also buy some things for candles here as well, like my piping bags and piping tips. The market is also always very busy, always very busy. I wonder whether they even close because sometimes when you drive past here at night, there's still a lot of people. This is the local market. It's called Iyar Kaswa. It means small market. We're also going to go by Charlie Boy's house. Do you know who Charlie Boy is? You don't know Charlie Boy? Well, Charlie Boy is a human rights activist and also a singer. I don't know if he still sings. And he's also very spooky. He has a spooky theme. This is his house. Look at that skull. Okay, so we just arrived at 500 naira shop. It says buy 3 items at 500 naira. Well, we're about to find out if that's true. Okay, so this shop is looking like a toy shop. It looks like a shop for kids. I don't know. Are you sure we're going to find anything here? These are kites.
Is that a kite? I saw this cute
Oh,
cups.
yeah, this is what attracted me here.
Yes,
this
I
cute
was.
smiley face cups.
I couldn't bring my camera. The battery was low. How much are these cute cups?
700.
Okay, it's not bad. Okay, there's something I actually really want. It is these cake cutters, cookie cutters I saw. Okay, yeah, awesome. Guys, I found these cool props, some cute shoes, and I'm going to just pick one. Lost Souls, that's so cool. It will look so nice in my photos. So guys, choose this one. Should I go with this? Let me find the perfect shoe.
Are you on a live?
No, I'm recording. I can tie the shoelaces later. So which shoes do you prefer? Lost Souls or this? This looks nice, but it needs some cleaning. Looks like baby shoes. I think I'll go with this one. I'll go with this one. This cute artifact.
You guys, they have a lot of cool characters in this store and everything is 500 naira, no jokes. I got some of these cute things for 500 naira. Like, they are so cool. They make such great characters in your photos or videos depending on how you place them in the background. Okay, so I also discovered that they have more items that are worth more than 500 naira. And their banner outside that stated 3 for 500 was actually true. I got some really cool stuff for 500 naira as well.
I think they're just normal glasses.
They have some stuff worth more than 500 naira, up to 15,000 naira, up to 24,000 naira. But The least amount of item that they have in this shop is 500 naira. I can't wait to show you what I got. Let's head home and unbag. Yay! So I got this cute mason jar, and I think it's for cocktail, milkshake, whatever, you guys, but you know I am not going to use it for what it is. You know that, right? You know already that this jar is going to be used for a candle. Who's ready to see this candle? I love it so much. Today is a fruity day. I also got myself some tea light holders, and I'm going to show you how to use tea light holders. For those who don't use wax burners and you want scented tea light candles, a lot of people have really strong scented tea light candles placed in different corners of their home and bathroom, and it just gives it a romantic, beautiful vibe. Yeah, so that's how you use a tea light holder. I love this tea light holder. It looks like a Christmas tree, and I love the fact that I can change the color if I want, and I think for Christmas it's going to become green. I got myself this cute fairy as well. I mean, I didn't realize that one of her hand was broken until I unbagged her. Well, she's still cute. I got the Lusso shoes, of course. It just looks so cute in the background. Then I got this one silicone mold for cake and candles. Yes, 3 for 500. The ad didn't lie, okay? 3 earrings, and I got myself some wax. I found this powder wax. It smells divine. It also says that it comes with wicks and wick holders. So let's see if that is true. This is the wax. I'm wondering how wicks and wick holder would fit in this tin, but yeah. Wax smells divine, smells really earthy, has earthy tone to it. I love it. I love it. It did come with wick holders, but no wicks. That's all there is. Wick holders and the wax. That's all. But anyway, I'm so proud of this wax and glad with the scent that I don't mind. I got myself this cute cookie cutter from my YouTube live. That's all, guys. I'll catch you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this one. Bye.